Indian Railways use many types of point machine in which Siemens point machines are widely used. Click on the buttons to know the terminologies used in point machines. This mainly consists of motor, gear transmission and driving mechanism. The motor is used to convert electrical energy into mechanical energy and is designed to operate in both directions. It is provided with three-stage reduction gears. Up to the second stage, it is housed in a seal motor housing filled with lubricating oil and thus they get self-lubricated. The lubrication oil gets filtered by means of a felt pad before it enters the sealed oil chamber. In the third stage of reduction, the pinion engages with a gear rim. The driving mechanism gets the linear motion required to move the points through the rack and pinion arrangement derived from the rotary motion of the gear transmission. The throw rod is having a hole at its ends and a rack in the middle in which the rack pinion engages after unlocking. The throw rod gets a maximum stroke of 143 mm for driving the point switch rails from normal to reverse and vice versa. The pinion is engaged with a gear rack for moving the points. The gear rack is connected with the points by means of a driving rod. We need 115 mm for BG and 100 mm for MG. The gear rack also has two lock notches for locking the throw rod at the end of the point operation. A part of the point machine which provides point machine, an electrically driven machine used for operation of points in railway yards. Throw bar, a part of the point machine which provides the thrust for operation of points. It is also connected to the place where the point's driving rod is connected. Detector slide, a part of the point machine which controls the detector contacts and to which the detector rod is connected. Left hand mounting, the operation of a point machine which is fixed to the left of the track as seen while facing the points. Clamp lock, a device provided to directly lock the switch rail with its respective stock rail and to check any relative movement between switch and stock rail. Click on the labels to know more about the parts of the Siemens point machine. Control disc. Control disc is used to lock the detector and control contact. It locks the roller and gives more reliability to the detection contacts. A special feature of this disc is that it cannot actuate the roller upwards. Click on the lock button to observe the locking action of the roller. Machine. Gear rim. It is directly meshed to the motor pinion. Friction clutch mechanism is provided inside the gear rim. The main gear rim transmits the rotary motion from the motor to linear motion to the throw rod. Click on the action button to observe the conversion of rotary motion to linear motion. It consists of a slip ring supported by a compression spring with two numbers of expansion shoe levers and a bracket. Click on the Assemble button to watch how the parts are arranged for friction clutch assembly. Click on the label Circuit Operation. Click the Circuit button to know the circuit diagram of the point machine. This circuit explains the working of a point machine. Move the mouse over the components in the circuit to know where they are located in the point machine. Choose normal to reverse or reverse to normal point movement from the drop-down menu. This circuit explains the operation of a point machine when point is moved from normal to reverse and from reverse to normal. Click the Circuit button. Sequence of point operation. Now the switches are free to move. The throw bar connected to the point by means of a driving rod has a stroke of 143